Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to attack in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the process of doing this is to pretty much just go ahead and prepare for your attack. Train troops, upgrade your barracks for higher level troop training, check troop health, and go ahead and choose the right heroes for your next attack. Then once you're finished with preparations and whatnot, the next step is to just go ahead to the world map and scout for any available enemy troops and evaluate power levels. Only attack the enemies with lower or pretty much comparable power for better odds. But if you are a risker, then you can go ahead and attack the ones with higher power. So again, once you're in your world map, select the target and tap on the enemy's city, outpost, or resource node. Hit attack on an opponent that pretty much has no shields on. If they do have shields, you won't be able to attack them. And once you've done so, choose which troops and the heroes to send, and just go ahead and confirm your deployment. You should be able to find multiple opponents, which is pretty much outside your kingdom. If you can, go ahead and look for an opponent that is potentially for you. Just go ahead and choose your target again, your troops and whatnot, and just go ahead and deploy. Just look at the marching speed over there, and it's going to take that time for it to actually attack. But anyways, if you win, you will be able to get that as your own attack win. And that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can attack in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.